Wagwan, Massive and Crew, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to do Callaloo drink. Now, I am using couple leaves of Callaloo that I already soaked into salted water for about 10 minutes. The reason for that is, you can't see insect eggs with the naked eyes. So if any eggs are on the callaloo leaves, then when I soak them into the salted water, they will fall off, and then I rinse with tap water. So I'm using just a little piece of ginger, not a lot, reason being because the ginger is just there to enhances the taste of the callaloo drink. Furthermore, callaloo is rich in potassium. Ginger is also rich in potassium, and my kidney does not love potassium, so I am using just a little piece of ginger. If you have kidney problem, you should not consume callaloo, you should not consume ginger, and you should not consume brown sugar. I guess the doctor will tell you all of those things, right? So now I'm using a knife to chop the callaloo leaves into smaller pieces. I'm going to put them into a blender. If you have a juicer, you can use it if you want. I have a juicer. I rarely use it. Reason being because I still have to add water to the juice because it is too concentrate for my stomach. If I just use the juicer and drink the juice, wow, my stomach burns me for the entire day. So me have to add a little water to it. And my husband said the same thing as well. And for that reason, I hardly use a juicer. But I'm going to do a recipe with it one of these days because I use it sometimes with the carrot. Yeah, but I still have to add water to it. So now I'm going to put the leaves into the blender. My kitchen counter is clean. Alright, so now I'm gonna put the ginger. So I'm gonna pour some filtered water into the blender. Enough water just to barely cover the leaves. And I'm gonna blend. So now I'm gonna strain. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I am gonna strain one more time. Now I have a glass of ice. I'm gonna pour some into the glass. Now you can sweeten it if you want, but I am not gonna sweeten it. So when you're drinking something for health benefits, you shouldn't sweeten it, right? You shouldn't add no sugar to it, else it will defeat the purpose. I mean, if you're making a nice refreshing drink, you can always put a little bit of sugar in it, but for health purposes, you shouldn't sweeten it, not even with honey. It will defeat the purpose. Alright, so raw callaloo. You know that callaloo contains fiber and sodium and most importantly, iron, right? I'm gonna pour some in another glass here. Now, if you want, you can squeeze lime juice in it or lemon, but I don't want any of that in it because, well, I added the ginger because the ginger enhances the taste, but it is not needed. You can just blend just the callaloo leaves, right? Now, if you want, you can add lemon juice or lime juice, as I mentioned before, to it. But even if you added the lemon juice or the lime juice to the Callaloo drink, you still have to eat either one tomato or one orange or one cherry, you know, our West Indian cherry, which is much better than an orange. Comparing to vitamin C, it is very high in vitamin C than an orange. But you know, on a cherry time in Jamaica right now, so I'm gonna eat tomato with tuna. Reason being, if you just drink the Callaloo drink like this, whether you pass it through a juicer or a blender, it doesn't matter. And it doesn't matter if you added lime juice or lemon juice to it. That no make no use, none at all. You understand? You still have to eat a fruit that is high in vitamin C in order for you to get the iron in your blood, because the vitamin C pulls the iron in your blood. You understand? Yes, so in order for me now to get the iron from the Callaloo drink, I'm gonna eat tomato, which is very high in vitamin C, right? That is the only way me I go get the iron from the Callaloo in my blood. You understand? If you just drink the Callaloo drink or juice, whatever you want to call it, like this, it will just pass through your system. It won't help you in terms of you getting the iron from it. And it doesn't matter if you squeeze lime juice or lemon juice in it when you're making it. It doesn't matter. You need to eat it. You need to eat the thing, or you need to eat an orange or a cherry. You understand? It's not going to help you. You have to eat it like this. Eat it. This is tuna. I'm going to drink this. And this is not sweetened, but if you want, you can sweeten it. You don't want my one sweetened. Right? This is the only way you're going to get the iron from the Callaloo in your blood, because the vitamin C pulls the iron in your blood.